In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email signature in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll have a polished professional signature that automatically appears in your emails, saving you time and helping you make a great impression. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Go to the File tab in the top left, then choose Options. In the window that opens, select Mail and then click Signatures. This takes you to the place where all your signatures are created and managed. Click New and give your signature a clear, descriptive name. This is just for your reference, so pick something like Standard Signature or Short Reply Signature if you plan to have variations. In the Edit Signature box, type out the details you want to appear. At a minimum, include your name, your title, and your company. Below that, add your phone number, your email address, and your website. If you want to elevate your branding, you can also include an image or logo and links to your social media profiles. Keep it concise and readable. Aim for clarity over decoration. Use the formatting toolbar to make it look clean and consistent. You can change the font, color, and size, but stick with professional, easy-to-read fonts and avoid too many colors. To add hyperlinks, highlight the text, like your website or social profile. Click the link button and paste the URL. Linking your email address is helpful too,